Meet 12-year-old Genesis from Guayaquil, Ecuador.
I'm a programmer, and this is my story. My neighborhood is not normal. It's not safe to walk down the street.
The walk to school is very hard. It's hill after hill, mud and holes everywhere. But we have to keep going, because an education is very important.
I've always worked to be the best student. Ever since I first touched a computer, I love technology. My goal is to become a computer science professor.
But budget cuts recently took away her school's computer courses. Genesis was devastated. Her mother determined to find a way to keep Genesis' dream alive.
Opportunity is scarce here. You have to really look for it, and I don't have much money. That's why when I finally found CTP, I signed Genesis up right away.
The Centro Tecnológico Popular, or CTP, and Microsoft YouthSpark provide free computer classes.
At CTP, we promote technology, and our goal is to eradicate digital illiteracy in Guayas province. Microsoft supports our mission, so we can train people for free.
CTP has a lot of things that can surprise any kid.
Such as hands-on experience with programs like Touch Develop, Project Spark, and Kodu.
Kodu is my first love, my first program. It showed me how to program a video game. I will always consider it as my first love. I don't have a computer. I feel a little sad about that, because a lot of people who do own a computer only use it to be on Facebook instead of doing something better. If I would have the chance to have a computer, I will be doing something good with it.
Genesis will have the chance to do just that, much sooner than she imagines.
Hi, Kevin. Very nice to meet you. It's a pleasure. Hi, nice to meet you. One of the things that we wanted to do today for both of you, we want to give you a new Surface computer.
A computer for me?
Thank you.
Tell me what you're going to use it for.
For starters, I've finished programming my game. I'll do all my homework on my computer. Then just program.
Fantastic. Now, how about you? What will you use it for?
Genesis is going to have to teach me to use it. Then it will help me run my business.
That'll be fantastic. We'll make sure that you get a little training and some help to be able to use it.
I am really thankful for this opportunity. Blessings on you and all the team.
Well, you can see the beautiful spirit in both of you. And we're thrilled to be able to provide this to you guys.
Thank you very much.
They wasted no time showing Kevin the neighborhood, the local internet cafe, and Genesis School.
I've always wanted to be a computer science teacher, but now I also want to work for Microsoft. Not just because of the technology, but because of all of you, the people who work there. I'm going to cry.
It's a happy day.